In today's video, I am going to be doing my morning skincare routine with Abib samples. This is my first time trying Abib. I want the full size packs, but let's put it to a test to see is it really good or everybody just hyping it up. This is the sample that I got. So let's see what's in it. I've already opened this. Anyway, in the sample you get a card. Oh wait, it's Abib Cosmetic Heartleaf trial kit. This is a trial kit. I think I ordered this one time on YesStyle. So if you want to shop on YesStyle, use my code Naliaka1 and save you some money. I think I ordered this when I ordered a cleanser and a toner one time. And then in the package we also have the Abib Heartleaf Spot Pad Calming Touch. This is the big package, how it comes. And then in the sample kit, trial kit, we have this. We have the Abib Acne Foam Cleanser, the Heartleaf foam. So I'm excited to try this. And then we have the Abib Heartleaf Essence. This is interesting. And then this is the most interesting. It looks like a syringe or an ampule. Come on, where's the focus? Anywho, we have that. This is the Abib Heartleaf Calming Toner Skin Booster. I'm going to be trying this. Out. We have the first things first. I think, should I do this is the Abib Heartleaf Foam Cleanser. Ooh, are these products worth the hype before you make an investment? I think that's why it's so good to have samples just to see if a product is worth the purchase or not, if it works for your skin or not. I'm going to wash this out and then I'm gonna come back. As I wait for my face to be at least dry, my first impressions is my face feels clean, but not stripped out. But I don't know, there's a tacky feel to it, which to be honest, I don't like, but it's okay. Let's go to the next product. One thing to note is I have PCOS, so my skin is more acne prone, but it is what it is. I am trying to take care of my skin. So I think my skin is drying out super fast. What is the next step? Does it even have? We're going to try this. Well, we're gonna try the Abib Heartleaf Spot Pad. Why is opening things so hard? Oh my god, I have been wanting this. Ooh, I have seen this on so many people's videos. I really want them. I'm going to put this here because this is my most prone skin, where all my acne scars are, where all the acne pimples come. It's there. I like it. Usually masks or things like that come with the juice. I call it the juice inside. I'm gonna use the juice just for the rest of my face, if there is any. Ooh. Oh. I think this is done. So we're gonna move on to, is this the last step? I think I'm gonna do this, the Calming Toner Skin Booster. Casting out this, I actually like the toner, but my face still feels dry. I like it. Just gonna let that dry. I'm going to finish it off with the Heartleaf Essence Calming Pump, just to seal in the moisture. It is, I thought it would be cream-like. It's actually come on, just focus on the Calming Pump Essence. It's actually very transparent. I thought it would be cream-like. This is interesting. I think this is good for the summer because usually summer you need very light moisturizers. That is it. Morning skincare routine using the Abib trial kit. Do I like it? I think yes, but I want to try the bigger ones.